In this video, I'm going to show you how to get Google Chrome on Roku TV. So this should be a quick and easy process. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So, however, it is possible to cast a web browser across with Roku able to mirror-connect from a different source. Doing so lets you see what is already on your smartphone or PC but on screen. So your Roku is connected, go to Google Play Store or Apple App Store and search for Web Video Cast. Install the app to begin setup and connect your devices. From there, you can use the browser how you normally would with a web browser on your phone. Once you have found the website you wish to browse on your Roku, tap the cast icon at the top of the screen, choose Roku from the list of options, and then after that your phone's web browser screen will be cast onto your TV. So this was an easy and quick process video, and as always, thank you for watching.